But don't worry, guys. I'm here to save the day. Hello, guys. Right now, we're going to be worried about the nectar and the hummingbirds. And what I use is hummingbird feeder, or and I also have the hummingbird insect concentrate. You can either it comes in like a red. Some of them they come in like a red pack, but for those like the red nectar juice are much more separate. They come in a bunch of so right now I'm going to use What do you think about hummingbirds?
I think they're like pretty. They like, I don't really know much about them, but I don't want them to go away. Yeah.
What do you think about bees being extinct?
Well, I think that's very terrible because without bees, we won't have honey, and also they like make flowers better in a way, I guess. And we need flowers, you know. Flowers are very important. They're not just there to look pretty. So bees are gone, we're gone. Yeah. Go on. You can edit this. He just turns it around.
All right, thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Hello. What do you think about butterflies being extinct?
Butterflies aren't extinct.
Well, they're going extinct.
I love butterflies. I want butterflies to be extinct. I mean, I don't want butterflies to be extinct. I love butterflies. It sucks. They're not extinct. I think that they're beautiful. I like them when landing on my finger.
That you should like them for who they are,
I just like
not
spiritual.
who they are.
Spiritual all of a sudden. I'm like, I like butterfly falls away.
they're pretty sexy.
So butterflies are high in the sky, right?
You should ask Starla and Sarah.
Butterflies are high in the sky.
Thank you so much. Not only have I been able to find nectar, I've been able to find my own family too. Now see, pet labs.